Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today it's finally the time to install accessories in the Suzuki V-Strom 250 SX. So me and my brother's coming back. So we are going to this place called HDRZ Mods, which is in BTM layout, Bangalore. So I hope we get all the accessories soon. And the time is currently 10 AM. And I guess we'll reach there around after half an hour. Not half an hour, it will take at least 1 hour to reach. So fingers crossed, hope we reach soon. And now I have to fill up tequila. She's like lesser than half tank. Yeah, I will fill up tequila and then catch you up, guys. So here is the V-Strom. So yeah, we'll be fitting all the accessories like crash guard, handlebar risers, top box, side stand protector, knuckle guards, etc. So stay tuned, guys, to know all the accessories we fit and the cost of it. So now we are leaving towards HDRZ Mods, which is in BTM layout. I hope it will take around 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I'll catch you guys if there is anything interesting on the road. Hey guys, we are nearing to the Moto HDRZ Mods store, but unfortunately my mudguard is out. It's broken. Suddenly I heard a sound, and if I turn back, the mudguard was out. Already the tire hugger was cracked. I mean, the metal part was cracked. And now, as soon as I went on that speed breaker, it just fell down. Yeah, it must be over here somewhere. It is over here. Finally we have arrived. This is HDRZ Mods. Hey guys, we have now selected accessories for the V-Strom, and we are waiting to get it installed. There are already few bikes who have come before us, so we are waiting now. We also, I guess, will take a jacket also. So keep watching, guys. The upper crash guard and then the lower crash guard. We are fitting it in the other side. The tire hugger was gone, as I said, so I am fitting the new one. Yeah, so this is it. Hey guys, we just got a helmet for it though, and now we are going to get a glove. We'll just go. Open it. Hey guys, we are done with the accessories fitting, and the time is currently 2:46 PM. We also went to have lunch. They had nice collections. So after this, now we'll be heading home, and obviously I'll put a separate video for the accessories we have installed in the V-Strom. And for now I can just show you the handlebar risers, the crash guard, the top box, and it's good. And few small accessories here and there. So I'll let you know guys whatever it is. Oh, see the V-Strom, it's so good. They fit all the top box and everything. Even the crash guard, it's of motor torque. It comes with lower and upper separate crash guards. And the top box is a 45-liter one. I guess that's enough for the V-Strom. In future obviously we will wrap the top box of the V-Strom. So we have to come up with a new design. And whoever wants to wrap their bikes or top box or panniers, anything, please head over to the sticker shop which is in KR Market. I'll tag down the description below. He does a really awesome job. It's seriously looking stunning after the accessories, right? And the box also, it's very suitable for the bike. And the helmet is also a new one. Just comment down below how the helmet is. And even I'll give a short review on the helmet soon. It's from Accessory and it's really looking good. Again this weather, right, sweet family will die till we're on the road. Hey guys, so now we are heading to the Rhinox showroom. There we need to get a jacket and a glove. So yeah, my brother took some other route. I forgot the route. Now I'm waiting in the signal, and from here we'll be heading to the Rhinox store. This is the Rhinox store. Over here we see the jacket and gloves maybe. Yes, we are done with the jacket shopping too. We got a Rhinox jacket. I'll show that in the next vlog. And yeah, the gloves was not in stock. The same gloves which I'm wearing. It's from Rhinox. It was not in stock there. So we'll let you know guys about the next ride update. And thank you so much guys for watching the vlog. This is Sachin signing off as of now.